everybody, welcome back to Skyway Classics YouTube channel. We are now going for a ride in our 1955 Chevy Bel Air. Bel Air was definitely one of the most classic vehicles Chevy ever made. Of course, the one we have here is a one-of-a-kind pink and gray two-tone paint job. Has the white walls, tires, even has the cute little pink dice to match the paint job. Other than that, going into the interior, it has also a matching pink, gray, and green interior. Of course, back in the day, Chevy was very unique. You never knew what you were going to get. But other than that, some aftermarket changes we do notice. It has the aftermarket gauges for temperature and oil pressure. You have an aftermarket radio system. And heck, it was even a good driving car now. Underneath the hood, you got the small block Chevy, nothing special. They really wanted to keep it stock. And heck, other than that, just a smooth little cruiser. You could actually take this thing to the car shows and not even have a worry. But other than that, now we're going to get it turned around and up on the lift, so please stay tuned to see the underneath.